I think the first thing will be understand, the consumer behavior, right? I think the 5.7 hours, how they spend, the 5.7 hours over a day, that will give us a really good ideas like, when to reach out to the customer, right? The second thing about like they still want to have a branch, but behind that is not just about a branch. It's, the expectation on what kind of service they want to get from, the service provider. And another one, the initial feedback about some of the new fintech solution that we're working on, right? KYCU, Open API, chatbot, that's also spell out the concern and why they like about it, why they don't like about it. So when we are designing the product, when we are working on how to really give it to the customer, I think there's a few customer voice that we can take into consideration and then make it even a better product and offering to them. Technology could be very different, right? But if you look at how change happened and the whole evolution, I would say it's the same. Because at the end, it's like what the customer wants, right? If the customer wants something, then you will come up with that for them, right? For example, like in the very early days, we have a credit card. Then we have the contactless, right? The contactless card. And then eventually there's like e-commerce, right? That is because of the customer needs, and then we do the product for them. So I would say whether it's the credit card of yesterday or the wallet payment of today, or going forward, it could be the in-apps payment, or it could be, a lot of different QR code payment. But at the end, it's all helping the customer to, to achieve what they want to do. And I always think, yes, you're asking from, technology point of view, but the technology is serving the customer, right? You will not build something just because you want to build it. Right, you have to have a customer in mind and think of what will work for them and what kind of solution will be the best for them according to their behavior and their needs. But I think what is more important is to carry, the business sense and business thinking into this new position, right? Because I think sometimes technical, the technical part, the technical spec is not important. It's how you really, make it in a way that the customer can use it, the customer can, be able to find value on the thing that you give them, right? So I would say coming from a business is helping this role as well, because now everything is so fast and also DIY, right? The customer do it themselves. So you need to have that kind of customer in your mind, have the customer perspective in order to shape a product, shape a functionality that is good for them. Right, so I would say probably, my background on the business will be able to help, a CIO role to be, providing more customer-focused product.